Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I just got done getting ready for work, doing my makeup and my hair, and I wanted to let you guys know I did post on Instagram that I vlogged yesterday, and then I did post later in the day that I lost all the files. So that was really extremely discouraging. I don't know what happened. I'm assuming that the memory card is corrupt because all the files from yesterday somehow got deleted off of the memory card, so that was a bummer because I only had like 4 clips from the evening, so I was just like, there's no point in uploading a 5-minute vlog of an hour of my night, you know what I mean? I had vlogged all day and it was a pretty dope vlog, but I lost it, so I'm a little irritated about that. But I decided today I was gonna do a vlog / what I eat in a day kind of video again, because you guys love these kind of videos. So extremely discouraging that I lost these clips, but yeah, I'm using a different memory card today, so hopefully it goes well today, fingers crossed. To get the files off the memory card, I downloaded this application, and it cost me $50 to download this application that said it would restore my files. So I was like, I'm gonna take a chance. I spent $50 for nothing because it still didn't get my files. So I just want you guys to know that I really tried, and it was a waste of $50, and I will not be getting a refund. But this ear is just, I don't know, it turns red a lot ever since I got it pierced, and I guess that's part of the whole healing process. It's a pain in the ass, the cartilage, but yeah, it's like itchy. Like my third holes are itchy, but they're not nearly as sore as my cartilage. Like, you can look at this ear. This ear is normal, and this ear is so red. So annoying. And I got these 2 earrings in the front from Target. I got them for like $25. It was like a set of 3 earrings for like $25. Super cute, kind of goes with the whole aesthetic. And once my ears are not sore, I want to get this side done, and I want to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, probably about 5 back-to-back piercings in through here. That's my next idea. So I'm gonna make something to eat now. I think I'm gonna have tuna on rice cakes. This has been like one of my favorite things to eat lately, so I'll show you guys. Okay, so it's 12 o'clock and this is my first meal of the day. I'm gonna have, ignore the background, it's kind of a lot of shit going on. One of these Oiko's 000 blended Greek yogurt, and this is 110 calories. And then I have 2 lightly salted rice cakes with tuna and mayonnaise under there, and the rice cakes are 70 calories together. 1 can of tuna is 80 calories, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise is about 90 calories. So for my first meal, it's 350 calories, and I have 1,120 calories remaining for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. It's just bomb. So I take the like tuna and I kind of like push it on top like this. I don't know. I like tuna. So to me, it's bomb. Super low carb. I'm probably going to make a lunch for work because probably around like 3 or 4 o'clock I'm going to be hungry. And I think I'll regret it if I don't make something. So I'm going to make something in a little bit after maybe I'm done eating this, start cooking something. I have fish in the freezer. I can make some leftover asparagus from last night. So I'm making lunch right now. It's in the oven, and what I'm making is tilapia with riced cauliflower and some asparagus. I have asparagus left over from last night, and then I'm microwaving the riced cauliflower. So, and then the fish is cracked peppercorn tilapia by Sea Cuisine. I get all my like frozen fish from Target, so they sell Sea Cuisine, and it comes with a sauce, but I don't use the sauce. So I just have the fillet, and it's 130 calories. the rice cauliflower will be about 80 calories, and the asparagus will be about 40 calories, which makes this meal 250 calories. I'm not hungry, and I probably will eat at like 3, 4, 5 o'clock at work just for something to hold me over until I get home. I'm probably going to work until 7:30. I didn't sleep too well last night. I slept maybe like 2 to 3 hours. I have a really hard time sleeping in general, and yeah, last night was just not a good night for sleep. The night went by fast, but I was constantly awake. I feel like I really didn't fall asleep till like 5 or 6 in the morning, and it sucks, but that's just how it goes. And it is pouring outside, so I'm not going to call an Uber. Straighten it because I really, after work, want to go to the beauty store and get some color for my hair, because it's kind of like faded to like this chocolatey brown, and I want my hair like black, but I want to get blue black. I want to do a nice blue black, so yeah, I need to color it. And I just cleaned my piercings with some sea salt solution. They were developing a lot of crusties, which is to be expected, but they're actually not healing too bad. I mean, my lobes, like I've been saying, are not bad, but the cartilage is super painful. And like I said, every time I like sleep on it, or if I hit it, or if a piece of hair gets snagged, it turns like bright red, almost purple. It's so irritating. So there's nobody as snuggly wuggly as you. Look at you, all cuddly. You're just so cute. So before I put it away, I just wanted to show you guys my lunch. So that's the tilapia, some asparagus, rice cauliflower. That's a lot of butter. Because I do such a low carb diet, I like to have fats in there, so I usually just put in a lot of butter and for some flavor. And then I found this. I had a chickpea corn blend left over, so I used that up, and yeah, it looks bomb. And I already told you guys the calories, so the calories might have went up a little bit because of the butter and the corn chickpea blend, but probably by like 50, 60 calories, or nah, maybe more like 100. So yes. It has been so slow. I'm irritated, but it's Super Bowl Sunday, so we'll see what happens. It's early. Checking in with you guys. Super slow. It's 4:30. All I've made, and I have it here, is 20. Hi. Hi. Hi, beautiful. See that. Let me see that. Just got home from work, and it was not a good day, which I guess I should have expected because of the fact that it was Super Bowl Sunday and it's been raining in LA, so people don't like going out in the rain in Los Angeles. So it's okay. You know, some days you can't have good days. Yesterday, I ended up having a decent day at work, so not every day is going to be a good day. And today was an example of that. So I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make my classic shrimp bowl. Showed you guys this before. It's just the chickpea pasta, throw in some protein shrimps and butter as a fat, some cheese, and that's all I'm gonna eat. And I'm gonna go to bed because I didn't sleep well last night, and I'm actually pretty tired right now. So I'm gonna start making the pasta and the shrimp. I got this candle from Target, and it's pineapple splash. I got it because it was on clearance. I guess it was originally $12.99, and I got it for $6.48. It just smells so good. Honestly, I didn't even have it lit today. Well, I had it lit earlier, but I just got home from work not too long ago, and when I walked through the door, I could smell the candle, and it wasn't even burning. Like, this is super duper fragranced, so I feel like for $6 and some change, it was totally worth it. And then I got another one too, but I still have this one in the bathroom. This is by Glade. But I bought this one too from Target, and this one smells so good too. This is citrus sorbet. So now in my little cabinet in here, it smells like this candle. These are super fragrant, so go to your Target and see if you can find them on clearance because they're super good. And then I found this on clearance too. I love getting things on clearance. This is also one of my favorite to spray on my carpets. Sometimes cocoa peas on the carpets, and that really helps to get the smell up because it's disgusting. Seriously. Shrimp. The water's boiling. So this is the shrimp and pasta bowl, and as you can see, I skipped out on vegetables because I had riced cauliflower for lunch as well as asparagus, so I feel like I had enough veggies today. I don't want to like overdo it. Sometimes when I overdo it on the vegetable or too much fruit, my stomach gets like really upset, so just trying to keep it balanced. And I do have the pasta, which is like chickpea pasta, so that's good. It's got protein and all sorts of goodness in it, so I am so tired. I did not sleep well at all last night. Where is my remote? I was gonna watch a YouTube video, catch up on some YouTube videos. I'm gonna edit this vlog hopefully tomorrow morning before the gym, have this up for you guys sometime this upcoming week. I'm gonna work tomorrow because today was not good. I haven't had a day off in a while, so hopefully tomorrow is good enough so I could have Tuesday as my day off and get my nails done and just have a day off. But I like to have a certain amount of money if I'm going to take a day off, you know. Just got out of the shower a little while ago, cleaned my piercings. They're looking good, not so sore today, not as red. I didn't get it snagged so many times. I know I said this repeatedly throughout the vlog, but the lobe piercings don't even hurt as nearly as much as the cartilage. The cartilage is super painful. And honestly, it wasn't painful like during, it was painful after. Like, it's been almost a week since I got them done. So once the pain stops on both sides, she told me to come back and get more, and I've told you guys numerous times that I'm going to get like the 5 on this side, and I can't wait to just have my ears like all decked out. So I'm going to close out the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Baby girl is tired. I'm going to try to edit this tomorrow, have it up either tomorrow or the following day. I'm going to try to vlog more for you guys. Would have had another vlog, but so many issues with the memory card. So until next time, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.